Elevate your audio experience with the Ryobi 18 volts 1 Plus Versa Clamp speaker, a remarkable addition to your Ryobi 18 volt 1 Plus system. Boasting a best-in-class Bluetooth streaming range of over 250 feet, you can stream from a single speaker or enhance your sound by connecting additional Versa speakers using the Versa technology, no app necessary. Seamlessly connect 100 plus Versa speakers with up to 150 feet of speaker-to-speaker connection range. Enjoy over 32 hours of continuous runtime, keeping your sound perfectly in sync all day long. Conveniently mount your speaker in various locations with the 1 to 3 4-inch clamp capacity and savor crystal clear sound quality wherever you go. As part of the Ryobi 1 Plus system, this speaker is compatible with over 280 cordless products using the same battery platform. The Ryobi 18 volt 1 Plus Versa Clamp speaker comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty and includes the 615 billion paisa 18 volts 1 Plus Versa Clamp speaker and user guide. Battery and charger are sold separately. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.